I hope they come in peace. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, everybody remain calm. They look like they're friendly. If inappropriately dressed, they do look friendly. What is going on, boys and girls? Oh my goodness. Okay, wow. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to attempt to translate what these aliens are here for. Let me see if we can figure it out. Greetings, alien people. Okay, they know the high five. That's a good sign. Okay. Okay, apparently they've come here after much observation, and they've decided that Kettering kids are the most out-of-world kids of their species. So that's good stuff. And they are here on a mission to study Earthlings' rituals. And last year they really liked our caramel? Oh, carnival. Carnival. They really liked our carnival last year. And they want you to know a few things about them. Apparently they love apples. Hence the apples all over campus. There you go. They like those apples. And they're happy. They're always happy. Super smart. And they most of all love disco like to dance with our alien friends. Okay, take it away, aliens.